If you want to try to improve the sound quality on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Over here in settings, go to sounds and vibration, and then in here we're gonna open the sound quality and effects. And here we have a couple of options that we can go through. Of course, you want to see the differences or listen to the differences in real time. So whenever you want to make a change and see how it works, of course, you can do so while there is something being played on the phone. So you can, for example, start playing a song or something from your phone, and then you can, of course, go through these settings. The first option that we can do is simply try to use the Dolby Atmos, which is actually deactivated by default. So if you did not use it yet, then of course you can give it a try. You can also tap on a Dolby Atmos in order to find a couple of different profiles, and of course you can choose whichever you like the most, but I think most people actually choose the automatic option, which allows the app to switch between all of these options depending on the situation and depending what you do with your phone. If you're watching a movie, if you are, for example, listen to music, or if you are in a call with someone or something like that. So of course you can adjust it to your needs. Besides that, we can also find loudness normalization, which pretty much levels the volume while the song is being played, or generally speaking, when the audio is being played. Which means that whenever there is something that is too loud, it can be reduced, it can be turned down a little bit, and when something is too quiet, then it can be turned up a little bit. So this allows you to level things equally, and you shouldn't have to, for example, keep adjusting the volume level if you find something that is like that requires you to do so. So definitely worth trying out. Besides that, we have the equalizer, and this, especially this option, should require you to listen to, for example, a song while trying all of these different options. In here we have a couple of different presets, such as the bass boost, the dynamic, treble boost, and so on and so forth. And of course, people like different things. Some people prefer to have more bass, some people prefer to make it sound more dynamic. So of course, it's up to you which one you prefer, and hence why you want to listen to something or play something on your phone while checking out these parameters. You can also create your own EQ over here. If you know how it works and what to do, you can of course adjust the loudness of different frequencies, and you can of course create your own EQ and adjust it to your needs. And if you want to reset it to 0, then of course you can just switch back to balanced. And that is all we can do to try to improve the quality of the sound and audio on your Samsung Galaxy A57. Leave a like and subscribe.